My name's Sam. I work for the YouthNet, which is a Stafford-based charity, and I'm a schools worker. And we got asked to deliver what I thought was a classroom-based session to a whole school year on British values. And then due to a sort of little bit of a mix-up of communication, we suddenly realised about 3 days before that we were going to be talking to 200 pupils at a go. We were going to be talking to the whole school. And we'd already looked at these videos and thought they would work really well in a classroom context. So we decided that we would give it a go and see whether we could hold a hall and make it interactive, so have sort of interactive elements of it, but build them around the videos. So we used 2 of the videos out of the Identity series, the first one and the last one, and we're really genuinely quite surprised by the sort of impact and the engagement on pupils. So there was a lot of curiosity. We put the first video on, complete silence for the whole time that it was on, and then we used the questions, we had some small group discussion, and then we did almost sort of craft activity, a hands-on activity to get them to explore the video. And then as we were going around, they were saying, are we having another video? Which is really interesting. And so we said, we're going to show a second one. And as soon as we put it on, complete silence and a sort of genuine response to it. So when you did the milk one, where you put the milk out and then one's in the fridge and one isn't, and then you poured the milk out, brilliant. So simple, but so it just got the point across. And we were absolutely sold. And for the whole day, didn't matter. They were all mixed age groups, sort of year 7 through to year 11. Didn't matter who they were, every group that came in, same reaction, same way. And then I've subsequently used the same video in a small group environment, in a Christian context, and been able to use it and almost pull it entirely the opposite way, entirely into a Christian context. In a school context, I absolutely love it. I think it gives you the ability to engage with pupils where they're at, so not where you want them to be or where they think that you want them to be. They think that you want to sort of ram Christianity down their throat, and I don't. I want them to engage with the spiritual aspect of themselves. And so it sort of almost puts them on the back foot, and it means that they have an arena in which they can engage, because there isn't anything not to engage with. So yeah, I was really impressed, I really liked it.